And I'm going to show you some simple home remedies that you could do at home. So basically, you don't have to go back to the dry cleaner, because I think, you know, most people.
Yeah, there you go.
Well, there you go.
All right, so where are we starting?
Okay, all right, so we're going to start off with the first, by the way, there are 3 different stain groups. 95% of all the stains come from 3 different groups. The first group is from the earth. That's anything from the earth, like fruit juices, colas, teas, red wines. Okay, the second is from the body, which is protein, anything live matter from the body, all the icky stuff like blood, milk, perspiration.
Right.
Okay, and the third is all oil matter. That's mineral, vegetable, and petroleum oils. That could be from hair gels to cooking oils, greases, etc.
Lipstick, makeups.
Exactly. The first category is earth-based. So we're going to take some coffee, okay, which is everyone's got a coffee stain, and we're going to stain it on this item right here. But what we make to make the solution at home is we're going to take 2 ounces of dishwashing detergent, a degreaser, pour it in, okay?
2 ounces of vinegar,
2
white
ounces
vinegar.
of white vinegar, and go ahead, and 2 ounces of water, okay?
Simple enough.
And we're just going to mix it up, okay? And what you always do before you use this on anything, you always want to test the solution in an inconspicuous area of the garment to make sure that the color doesn't bleed, to make sure it's safe.
Oh, smart.
Because you can go right on the
Color
stain,
fast.
all of a sudden the color starts bleeding.
Right, so on the,
Okay.
like this little, this flap on the inside of the shirt or
Yes,
something.
and you always want to, with an earth-based stain, you always want to just rinse it with cold water just to see if it's going to come out, because it's fresh. We're going to take the formula and we're going to tamp it right on top of the stain. You can see it, right?
And it passes like right through.
It passes right through.
Wow.
You can see that?
That's awesome.
And there it goes. Okay, number 2, we're going to the protein-based stain. So we chose, since, you know, we're in the kitchen here, we chose meat, juice, blood. Okay, so we take 2 tablespoons of water, a teaspoon of ammonia, a teaspoon of peroxide.
Hydrogen peroxide?
Hydrogen peroxide, and a teaspoon of detergent. Okay, again, all right.
Sorry, I
She's
can't
mixing-
not prep
she's-
when I see ingredients.
There you go. She's prepping. This is good. I have the greatest. Okay, so what we're going to do is...
This on here?
You can pour it on, yep. And by the way, one of the other tips is if you ever have excess amount of the...
Solution?
The solution, or whatever, no, excess amount of stain, just take it off. Take it off with a, you know, like a round object, a spoon or something.
Gotcha. Scrape the stain down
there
first.
you go. And just tamp.
Beautiful.
Look at that. The last one. Let me get this right. Last group. I'm gonna just take a.
This is the makeup, the oil base.
Yeah, this is the ladies' stuff, or just the oil-based stuff. So we're gonna use this.
A little lipstick.
Wherever you want, or you want to do the
lipstick
foundation.
on the collar.
Now we always start with an ounce of degreaser.
Okay.
And a tablespoon or an ounce of water. Now to make this stronger, if you need to, we add acetone, okay? And that, but you can
nail polish remover, people.
It works, but you only as long as you don't have any acetate fabric,
right?
Then you can use
acetone.
It'll definitely melt it. You'll see something. Okay, there you go. So now let me grab one of these.
Can I spoon it on for you?
You can spoon it on. Look, she knows how to. This is good. She gets
French service for your stains.
There you go. Okay, and there.
Nice.
You can see it coming off.
Wow, and that was bright pink lipstick.
If you just let it sit there, sometimes it works over time.
It'll finish getting through.
So you can't always be in a rush to remove stains. And then you wash it afterwards, you know, just mild detergent and Clorox too, a safety bleach.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.